Let's take Steve's call from Montana. That's a very good question.
Hey, Steve. Welcome to Jay Secchio Live. You're on the air.
Hey, Steve.
Hi, gentlemen. Thank you for taking my call. The Supreme Court rejecting the Texas case is just devastating. So I have two questions for you.
Yep.
If the three justices that President Trump nominated are considered to be constitutionalists,
Yep.
along with the other two conservative justices, why would they refuse this case, which really seemed to be perfect? And my second question is, do we have any viable legal recourses now to save this election now that the Supreme Court itself has turned against us? And could this really just be the end of the republic?
Well, I don't think it's going to be I don't think any of this is the end of the republic. I mean, our Constitution endures. Now, let me answer a couple of these. With regard to the constitutionalists, look, Alito, Thomas, the other three you mentioned, you're talking about the newest justices, Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, and Justice Barrett, are all constitutionalists. That's their judicial philosophy. These are not easy cases. I've told you they were uphill cases to begin with. They were difficult, and the relief that was being requested was extraordinary, which was throwing it back to the legislature. Now, that's constitutional. But I think what Jordan said is the reason the constitutionalists said, you know what? We are federalists. Therefore, the states can fix this if they see it, Harry, as a problem.
Absolutely. Unfortunately, the Constitution does not have a process which mandates that state legislators actually have a spine. They could have taken action. Each and every state legislature could have taken action. That's number one. Number two, many of these state legislators could have taken action before November the 3rd. So part of the issue here, I believe, is that many state legislators have just slid around without focusing on doing their job. So I think going forward, it will be up to each and every citizen in each and every state to put pressure on members of the state legislature to make sure that election integrity and that all evidence of fraud is eliminated with respect to future elections. If we want to keep our republic, we must ensure election integrity.
But, Jordan, you said something, too, that I think that needs to be underscored again, and that is the Supreme Court knew that the states could fix this if they had the gumption to do it. Right. Constitutionally, that's what the electors clauses do.
Right. I mean, each one of these states, they don't have to accept the results ever. They can always say, by the state legislatures can say that there was something wrong. In this case, they could say, we don't care that the judges thought there were standing issues on these cases. We still believe that what they were alleging happened.
The president says it's not over yet.
That's the fight is still going on. I mean, listen.
Legal challenges are the difficulty.
Yes, legal challenges, but remember, there's other ways. We talked about how even Congress can get involved in this, and the president will continue the fight as he's pledged to his supporters, and we want to make that clear in every case we've done. He has not conceded.
I don't think the word concession will come out of his mouth.